Apparently, Ruby does not like Frosty. I guess she's not going to bark at Frosty. She was just barking at him just a second ago. She wants to check him out, though, that's for sure. What is that, Ruby? She's like all scoping it out. It's a good experience to bring your dog up to stores like Petco.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is hidden RK running through their pool.
Hello, we're up here at Petco doing a little Pawsuasive dog teaching. Please give the video a thumbs up. We're doing, let's see, we got some ferrets and we got some guinea pigs over there, which she just is absolutely going crazy for. I'm trying to get her more used to little critters and whatnot. Ruby, come. Good girl. See, just a bit ago she was trying to jump up on the glass just a bit ago. No, good girl. Good girl. No. I think I need some help filming these sorts of videos. People are gonna get dizzy and everything. No. Ruby, chill. No. Calm down. Then you get to go closer. Ruby, no. Now we back up some. See, when she starts getting too excited, just back her way a little bit. She's doing pretty good with the birds here, which is pretty cool. But the birds are up just a little bit higher than what these other ones are. All right, good girl. Now you're calm. Calm. Good girl. Good girl. All right, now we can try going a little closer again. See, eventually, the goal, Ruby, easy. The goal is just to have her, no, just to have her not react. Okay, now we got to back up some. See, and this is what you should do, is just keep on repeating this process. You know, sometimes your dog may do better at, one day may do worse the next. Just got to remember to be patient and never strike your dog. So, alright, now she's calm. She gets a reward. Good girl. Ruby, come here. Ruby, come here. Good girl. Oh, what? You don't even want the treat? You don't even want the treats? Uh-oh. Looks like I need some higher value treats. You get some real chicken when I'm competing against ferrets and guinea pigs. Oh, we got mice down there. Ruby. No. Good girl. She found something underneath there. No. Good girl. No, that's a good girl. No. See, this is where teaching your dog negative markers along with positive markers can be helping you in the teaching of your dog. So, Ruby, no. No. Nope. Now you're starting to get too excited. And look at Lucy. Oh, missed Lucy. So, otherwise you just keep on repeating this process. Then eventually you'll be able to pass those, with moderate interest from your dog. It's just slowly getting them used to. No. Good girl. Yes, good girl. See, now you're doing good, Ruby. Good girl. See, now this is good girl. See, it's okay to explore like this. No, because she aspired to start doing her little scratch thing. No. No. Ruby, no. Hey, you're just being rambunctious today, aren't you? I just dropped the treat. Right? I don't think Ruby cares about the treats. Oh, she found it. Here, cardboard say. She don't care about the treats, but here she snagged it up. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. And also like and follow our Facebook pages. We got Pawsuasive Dog Teaching up on Facebook and Kansas City Metro Dog Parks. And we're just starting up a new Twitter. We're also going to try to remember to put the Ruby's Amazon wish list and all the links of all the videos that we do post. You're doing good, Ruby. No. Oh, no. So, but I did make one error though. Before we left today, there's one big mistake that I did. I did not take her out to the backyard and wear her out with a good game of fetch. And Ruby's a pretty good at fetch too. So if I probably would have done that before coming up here, she'd probably be a bit better. But actually she's kind of improving. And as soon as I say something that she's improving, she gets a little bit more excited. I'm waiting for her to do the sit pretty set where she can see it by. No. No. Alright, now we're going to go over and we're going to see the keys. Yeah, we're going to see how she reacts with the cats. Give the thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. I'm getting a little dizzy with all the do-si-doing that Ruby's doing with me. Let's see how she reacts to the kitties again. See, she's already going crazy. We can't even get this all the closer we can get to the kitties without you going crazy, Ruby. She just wants those kitties. Come on, Ruby. Come on. Come on. We're going to try a different approach. We're going to go up and around here. Let's see. I'm trying to get her used to the cats. She knows that go after the neighbor's cats when they come into the backyard. So I've noticed a few neighbor cats come into our backyard. I really need some better high-value treats. So now this is good girl, Ruby. Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing real good. This is about the closest we've been able to get to the cats before you've been going to go crazy. Good girl, Ruby. Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. Good girl. That was good. That was good. In fact, that was so good. Ruby, come on. Ruby, come here. That was so good, you get another treat. She's like, heck with the treat. I want the kitty cats. You're doing good, Ruby. You're doing good. Yes. Come here. Ruby. No tugging. We're gonna wipe this sand out, yeah. Scoot it over. Ruby, no. Well, she's not barking. We get to come close. Nope. Nope. See, now we back up. Ooh, I think I'm getting a thumb cramp trying to hold this. We're almost at 10 minutes. This is a pretty good video. Well, otherwise, you just repeat with whatever animals that you're trying to get used to. Find a pet store like Petco that has a different animal. Ruby, come. Good girl. Good girl. No. See. And as everybody already knows, Ruby is a very, very, very vocal dog. One of these days, I'm gonna have to take a video or compile a video of all the crazy noises that she makes. So, I'm getting hungry, and I think we're done with this training session today. I should say teaching session. So, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Oh, and also, don't forget to hit that bell icon. We need help. Please support us. Hey, Ruby, we'll see if Ruby in this highly oh, she found a toy. Oh, I thought she was going to go after the toy. Oh, we got the toy aisle. I guess we can check out the toy aisle. Where you going, Ruby Doo? Ruby, come here. Oh, and those vests there, those orange vests. If your dog is going through the woods, don't use them, because they get torn up pretty easy. Ruby, come here. Ruby. Easy. Hey. Hey. Ruby. Hey, sit. Sit. Good girl. Easy. Easy. Get it! Good girl. Well, please give the video a thumbs up. Pawsuasive dog teaching.